Hello, students. Mrs. Miller here. We will be starting our social studies class today, actually in just about 10 minutes. So I'm cutting it kind of close here with my start time, but that's okay. First of all, you need to take attendance. This time, when you open up attendance, you're going to click on sixth period. This is sixth period, okay? Then we're going to watch CNN 10 together. This is the news in 10 minutes, and then we're going to have some class discussion. After that, we're going to do a Jamboard. We're going to talk about where we have been. So if you click the link here, it's going to take you right on over to our Jamboard. And this time it's a little different, okay? So it says planets we have visited. You get to put a pin in the map where for which planet you visited. So let's just pretend right now, for the sake of this demonstration, that I have visited Saturn. What I will do is I'm going to right click, or I'm going to click on the pin that I want, the color pin that I want. I will hit Control C to copy it, and then I'm going to hit Control V to paste it. And then I would just move my pin to the planet that I've gone to. Now, clearly, we should all have our pins in one planet, clearly, but I just wanted to show you how to do that. Another way to duplicate it would be to click the three dots and click duplicate. And that is how you have your pen. So you can pick whichever color pen you want to use, and that is what you will do. Now, for the next slide here, it's going to be continents. So in just a bit, I'm going to put the continents, and you're going to take your pen. So you'll get a pen from this page. Let's say I wanted the orange one. This time I really have to go Control C for copy, and then I'm going to come to this slide and I'm going to click Control V to paste it. And that is how I paste it onto another slide. Okay. So we're going to take our time, go through and mark where we have been. So we have continents on this page. This page is going to be countries that we've visited. Then we're going to have states that we have visited and cities we have visited. And if we have time, we might talk about the counties that we have visited, just so we can start to get an idea of how things are. All right. Once we are finished with that activity and we have a bit of discussion, you can work on your anchor activities because we are in class until 2:30. So if you click on this right here, whenever you see the anchor, that lets you know that I'm giving you some ideas on what you should be working on. Right now, we have the Jamboard assignment from homeroom. And I didn't want to put the link here because I didn't want other people accessing it. So if you're going to work on this one from homeroom, you would have to go back up to our lesson and you would find the Jamboard right here. Here's the link from homeroom. Okay. Then you could make sure your paragraph of the day is complete. Continue our book preview of Gifted Hands. I'm sorry, for paragraph of the day, you could just click here to go to my instruction. For the book review, you could click me here, sitting here reading my book, and it'll take you to that. Or you could go for a walk or get some other form of exercise or practice your belly breathing. So that is an overview of the rest of our day. I'll see you all in just a bit.